With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question, and the question says a fan operates at 200 volt and consumes 1000 watt power and runs at full speed. Its internal resistance is 1 ohm, and the speed becomes constant when it runs at full speed. Why? Because the torque due to the magnetic field is being balanced by the torque due to air resistance as well as the friction between the fixed part and the shaft of the fan. So the electric power is spent in two ways. The internal resistance as heat P1 and work against internal friction and air resistance that is P2. Now the fan rotates and EMF is also produced, right? So this opposes the external EMF applied. The EMF is called the back EMF E. Now the value of P1 is what? Since we are given that the voltage is 200 volt, since E is equal to 200 volt and the power is 1000 watt, which is equal to P1 plus P2. First of all, since P power is equal to I into E, therefore the current can be written as P by E, which will be equal to 1000 watt by 200 volt, that is equal to 5 amperes. Now the P1 would be equal to I into V1, that is across the resistance. So that will be equal to I into IR. So that is equal to I square R. So that is 5 square into 1, since R is given as 1 ohm, right? So this would be equal to 25 watt. 25 watt. So our answer is 25 watt, that is option C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.